Hey, what's doing, baby? Oh, yes. Hi. How are you? You were so active just a minute ago. Now you're like, hey, Mom, why you have your phone? What's going on? What are you doing? Yeah. Did you have a good nap? Was it a good sleepy sleep? You were sleeping for a long time. Yeah. You ready to have your bottle now? You hungry? Hmm? Yeah, it's a hungry girl. Mom, 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 mom. You're so cute. Ah. Yes. That's the I'm hungry face. Like, where is the food? I need food now. Food goes in the mouth. Ah. Oh, still sleepy. A bit. Okay, cutie pie. Let's feed you. What you looking at? I love you. I love you. I love you, baby. Feed me, mommy. Feed me. Give me food now.